So this one's pretty interesting. This is a Riverstone Legacy 44 DBL. So this one's pretty unique too. So we're going to start off in the bedroom up here. Hello, dark mirror. So front closet. I don't know how you open this. There we go. Oh, washer and dryer up here. That back there. Stackable washer and dryer. Nice king size bed. Plenty of room to get around on both sides. This window, decent sized TV. Nice bedroom. It's a cool layout. So, pretty standard fifth wheel bathroom. Nice one piece shower. Low step to get in. That's really nice. Plenty of room in there. Okay, so here's the main living space. There's the kitchen. I like that light fixture. Ceiling fan. Nice TV. Dinette. Nice L-shaped couch with the ottoman. Tons of storage on both sides. All around. A lot of cabinet space. Dishwasher. That's for the slide to come in with the garbage. So the slide comes in right here over this counter. Kind of like Ted she lives, yeah. Alright, so I'm going to show this pull out pantry. All that pantry space, and this is pretty deep. This is almost elbow wide. Nice deep storage up there. So here's the trick about this one. Behind the TV, got a whole nother room. So this door opens with the TV and the fireplace. And you have an office. But it's not only just an office. This is actually a dual suite, and it doubles as an office. So we have all the storage back here. Nice TV up there. As it sits right now, you have a couch here. But behind here, I'm not going to fold it all out, but behind here is a Murphy bed. So I would imagine you just move these cushions. Is that storage under there? Yeah, you got storage under the couch. But I would imagine you just pull these cushions out and this Murphy bed folds down somehow. I'm not going to mess with it right now. But yeah, so that's a Murphy bed that folds down right here. So not only is this a dual suite, but doubles as an office with a nice desk. Like, how many of us would not love having this desk? Wow. Another full bathroom back here. Nice one piece shower. Nice size too. And this bathroom has its own entrance. Nice thing about having the entrance on the side like this, when those steps are folded up, the solid steps, you're not going to be in the way of using the bathroom. I actually didn't waste the space up there. They put some cabinets. Nice medicine cabinet. But yeah, this is quite the interesting floor plan. I dig it. What is that? So I'd say comfortably you could probably get 4 people on that couch, maybe 5 with kids. dinette. I'm not sure if this extends out in any way. Maybe. Nice size windows here. I really like this floor plan. What do you think of this one?
I think that this is one of the most unique ones I've seen. I love it. They also have a camera right out the front door here.
Okay, let's take a look at the outside.
And then I like the awnings covering the whole front half.
Yeah, so we got 2 awnings, pretty similar to ours. Wow.
That went up on its own. So
that's pretty nice storage in there. Hook up for dual 30-pound tanks. I'm not worried about.
I got 6.
So the 44 DBL. Full body paint, outside TV.
Nice.
I would much prefer having the door on the side than on the back like this, but yeah, this is nice. Well, now for fifth wheels, I'm gonna have a hard time for a top pick because I like this one and that Cedar Creek. Okay, so another Riverstone. I do like the black and silver and gray. This is a 425 FO. So this is a mid kitchen. We have a dishwasher, flip up counter for some more counter space. Pretty nice layout, tons of storage around the fridge there. Nice little dinette here. Before we go out into the living room, we'll go back here into the bedroom. It's a pretty nice bedroom. You got opposing slides in here, give you some extra room. Washer and dryer. Nice closet space. Drawers in there too. King size bed. So I'm not too nuts about the brown in here, but I'm sure you can get different color interiors. But this floor plan is really nice. They've had this one for a while. I do like this. That's actually. It's not just a piece of paneling. Nice 1-piece shower. Nice deep cabinets in here for storage. Soft clothes. Nice rainfall shower head. Yeah, this is nice. Alright, so back through the kitchen. I do like these LED lights they've been putting up in these. Wish I had a ceiling fan there instead though. Alright, so here. So yeah, this is actually Alright, so this is a front living room layout. You get plenty of room up here. Nice theater seating directly in front of the TV. Got 2 opposing couches that both fold out into a bed. Nice entertainment center with storage on both sides. Actually pretty deep. But the trick to this one is you have a full office in the front of this. You could easily, 2 of you could easily work up here, 1 on each side. This is just awesome. Nice storage up here. Got some nice windows for cross breeze up here. They do have AC vents up here. It's a must-have in a small room up in the front like this. A little pass-through storage. But yeah, that is for working travelers. That is for remote work. I don't think you could get a better office space in a rig than this. This is by far the biggest office space I've seen in a rig. Nice cabinetry in here. Yeah, you could have two people working in here no problem and would never even bump into each other. That is awesome. Yeah, they did a great job with this floor plan. This is pretty nice. Got nicer upgraded convection oven in here. Samsung. Nice full-size 4-burner stove. Wow, that's a big pantry too. Residential Samsung fridge. Huge Greystone. Tons of storage out here. I don't think we'll be able to open the back, but this should have. Let me grab that latch for you. Don't let it hit that. But see, in here, you got a big, I can't open it all the way, but there's a big slide tray back here. So, same storage on this side. This is a triple axle, so let's go look at the weight on this thing. Curious about the weight and how much cargo capacity it has. Nice outdoor TV. Wow. Okay. That's probably the biggest storage I've seen today in the main compartment. Let me get out of the light. And another thing they do, let's see if I can get a shot of this. Each one of the water lines in this rig has a separate shut-off in here. So there's all your hot and cold water shut-offs. So each valve will shut off. They have them listed there, you know, bathroom sink, kitchen sink, toilet. So if you have a leak somewhere, you can just shut down that one line, which is really nice. Oh, they got two 40-pound tanks. This one's prepped for a generator. Some inverter in there. I want to get some numbers on this. Let's see. Curious how much this one weighs. Alright, so 24,000 pounds. So you're going to be maxing out a dually with this thing, right at 24,000. Be curious what the pin weight is. Let's go over and look at the door. Most rigs, they're individually weighed at the factory, so to get like the actual numbers of the rig, each individual rig, depending on what options they have, usually they'll have a yellow sticker right here. Let me turn the camera. I don't know if you can see it with the sun. So cargo capacity on this is 4,826 pounds. Now that's without water or any of your stuff obviously in it. It's empty. That's huge. That's more than most toy haulers have. Beautiful rig. This is one of my favorites.